Section 2. AWS Speech Services. In this section, we will cover the following topics. An overview of Amazon Polly service, getting started with Amazon Polly, demonstration of Amazon Polly with Raspberry Pi 4, an overview of Amazon Transcribe, getting started with Amazon Transcribe, demonstration of Amazon Transcribe with Raspberry Pi 4. Video 2.1. An overview of Amazon Polly service. In this video, we will cover the following topics. What is Amazon Polly? The pricing model of Amazon Polly, use cases of Amazon Polly, customers of Amazon Polly. Amazon Polly is an AWS cloud machine learning service that converts text into human-like speech. Amazon Polly supports various lifelike voices in multiple languages with different types of lifelike voices. By type of lifelike voices, we mean you can choose a male or female voice or type of accent, etc., different languages, as in you can go for English India, English US, etc. Now a question might arise, where can we use this API of AWS? The use cases of Amazon Polly include mobile applications such as games, newsreaders, e-learning platforms, accessibility applications, and most important, from the perspective of this course, the Internet of Things. The best thing with Amazon Polly is you don't need to do a lot of setups to get started with this service, as it is the Amazon service and you pay for the text you synthesize. There are two types of text-to-speech conversion policies Amazon Polly supports. The first is standard and the second is neural. The one we discussed earlier is the standard policy. In the neural type, you get an even better voice which is more human-like. Neural text-to-speech follows a new machine learning approach through which you will get your text converted to a natural human-like voice. One of the examples of neural text-to-speech on Amazon Polly is you can convert your text-to-speech in such a way that it sounds like that it is being read by the news reporter using the newscaster speaking style of neural text-to-speech policy. After getting familiar with Amazon Polly, let us take a look at some of the benefits of using Amazon Polly. High quality. The speech you get using standard or neural technology is very high quality with high pronunciation accuracy. Low latency. Amazon Polly is really fast. Hence, it is best suitable for any of the low latency systems, such as a dialogue system, where a new response needs to be created based on a certain response. Support for a large portfolio of languages and voices. As already discussed, Amazon Polly supports dozens of languages and voices, making AWS Polly the best choice for converting text to speech. Cost effective. Polly follows the pay-as-you-go model of AWS, which means no setup cost. You can start at a smaller scale and scale up as you grow. Cloud-based solution. AWS Cloud bears the cost of infrastructure and resources by providing cloud-based solutions to their users. Hence, a customer using Amazon Polly can select from the wider range of available languages and voices at a lower cost. Before getting hands-on experience with Amazon Polly, it is necessary to look at its pricing model. As discussed earlier in one of the previous lectures of this course, Amazon Polly also follows two pricing models. One is the free tier model and the other is the pay-as-you-go model. The free tier model of Amazon Polly includes 5 million characters per month for speech requests for the first 12 months, starting from your first speech request. Similarly, the neural voice free tier includes 1 million characters per month. Once you exceed the monthly limit or have completed your 12 months of free tier subscription, you will automatically move to the pay-as-you-go subscription model. Let us quickly look at the pricing examples of pay-as-you-go model. For the first 1,000 requests, that is 1,000 characters per request, or the text length is 1 million characters, or the generated duration is approximately 23 hours, 8 minutes, and you have to pay $4 for the standard model and $16 for the neural model. For the next 1,000 to 10,000 requests, you have to pay another $4 for standard and $16 for neural and so on. So be careful while using Amazon Polly and try not to exceed free tier limits until 12 months. Some of the use cases of Amazon Polly include generating speech in dozens of languages, engaging customers with a natural sounding voice and adjusting speaking style, speech rate, pitch, loudness, and so on. To learn about the available languages and the variety of different voices, click on the link provided in the resources of this video. Some of the customers of Amazon Polly include the Washington Post, Trinity Audio, USA Today Network, and many more. That is all, folks. This brings us to the end of this video. Video summary. In this video, we have covered the following topics. What is Amazon Polly? The pricing model of Amazon Polly, use cases of Amazon Polly, customers of Amazon Polly. In the next video, we will get started with Amazon Polly.